Hello, this is Alexander Kruss, and today we are going to show you apartments by the name Waterpark View. They are in Nyali, so I'll show you the road, access, and maybe a couple of apartments inside. Your comments are highly welcomed. We are learning together with you. Let's go. They are off Beach Road, basically, let's say near Links Road and Beach Road. So there are two accesses, one from Beach Road. I'm driving now to use it, and then there's a shorter one, but less, slightly more bumpy. So we'll use the better one for entrance and then the shorter one for exit. So this will allow us to see both, so everyone can decide which one is better for him. So this big estate is gated, here written called Beach Road Village, Gate A. So this Gate A is where the mosque is. The estate itself is quite big. I don't know how many properties in total, but it's quite big. So this, I don't know how much security this gating adds, but still. Okay, here we are. Let's see the road. So here is still, there's no, as per me, there's no cabro. So basically we go here, right, and I think we have to go right here, unless I'm confused the road, because here there's no better than the one we use, the shorter one. So that's why I'm a bit confused. Maybe I should use the other one. Here still no cabro. So where we are, let me see the next one. Maybe the next one is cabro. If there's no cabro, then it makes no sense. We'll just be using the shorter one. But at least good to see that inside. Okay, there are many new flats here. Yeah, even here there's no cabro. Okay, let's then we proceed, because here we're already on the other side of the apartments we need. Actually, here they are. This is the rear view, and here the road is even worse. So, but anyway, it was my fault. I skipped two turns. No worries. I'll show you the road I'll be exiting. Whoa, wait, it's very rocky. Very rocky. By the way, here I can see through the fence, this is a water slide. So this is a popular attraction for kids around Mombasa. And here we are. So basically there was no sense to go all that way around. Here is our gate, and that is the way to exit to the another gate. So we came gate A, and this one I called, is it gate B or gate C? But this is closer. So anyway, we'll use it on our way back. By the way, let's not forget to organize some cleaning, washing of the gate, and then put in a sign that it's managed by Kruss Properties. Yep, with my number, so we can, maybe it can help up to speed put in new clients, so we have the building ready. So now we got 3 tenants, so some more to rent. Just wanted to say that here also we need to put like flowers, whatever. Now I see the landlord has put those trees, we call them Indian trees. Actually they look like this. This is what we call Indian trees. Yeah, but normally you put this kind of trees when you want to separate 2 plots, or you want to block view from main road, whatever. But here you see there's a wall, and then here's just a road, and then already high trees over there. So to put second line of trees, not sure. It's not that bad, but could be that for the apartments, because they have maybe second, third floor which overlooking this wall, so which is higher than this wall. Now when these trees grow higher, they'll be blocking the view, so basically limiting the view just within the compound. Not a big issue. Okay, so here entering now the entrance zone, so we are creating some small gardening, we are making some landscaping here and there. Then this building, so now you see this kind of green net. Yeah, so here, yeah, we are adding another line here to close and to make it neat, because currently we are limited to only this section which is going to be used. Yeah, so similar, something similar to this, so some flowers, palms, to be all around. By the way, elevator is coming, so we have a provision for elevator, and the planned time is around 3-4 months for it to be installed and ready. And this is off topic, but just it was original design, so I can't miss a chance to show you that beautiful house with these red tiles, clay tiles, and beautiful garden. I can see they have even a sort of a pond. I don't know, it has some fish in it or what. Looks like it is. Beautiful. By the way, all those apartments, even this apartment, that one, even these two, no, at least this one, yellow, are within the same estate. So it's a big estate. Okay, now this penthouse has already been given out, but let me still show you before somebody moves in. So we enter here. There's a big living and dining. Let me just check here. Large balcony. Nice views. Nice views. Balcony is large and it rounds up the corner. Here you have another exit. So this entrance from dining. Yeah, and then we'll go there later. That's a second, let's say, upper floor for this penthouse. So it's a duplex penthouse. And even here, still rounds up a bit. Actually, they could even join that. I don't know why they left it. Okay, we are back inside. So this is from this angle. Yeah, very spacious. Then we have a kitchen here. Bar chairs, slightly too many. Should have been reduced to 2 or 3. I like those. At least not plastic. I don't appreciate a lot of plastics. Okay, granite looks nice. Everything nice. Okay, I don't like this in the middle of the room. Not clear why should this happen. Okay, this is a pantry, so basically like a kitchen store and all those. It's a big one, nice, and it has its own balcony. Yep. Okay, let's move on. So this is entrance from the lift. So when the lift will be installed for this floor, it opens, you enter through this door. Okay, then we have a stairs to go up. Let's be patient, we'll go there later. Here we have a laundry. I love this laundry. Look how big it is. So big surface. Okay, for laundry, could be landlord could have saved some cash and make it cheaper and give me this granite for me. Maybe he was trying to choose the less expensive, the less beautiful pieces of granite. But anyway, yeah. Okay, so it's big and it has a lot of space inside, so this is nice. Actually, with this view, the cleaner, the maid, she will be very happy. A lot of breeze also, you can open a lot of breeze. You iron your clothes here. Good, okay, let's go further. So one bedroom here, already furnished. Here, a lot of space, which is also good. Nice view on that beautiful house down. Yes, then we have here a cubicle shower. Everything is more clean than the 3-bedroom I showed you. Okay, it's all brand new. Okay, so 1 bedroom here on this level. Then 2nd bedroom, also similar layout. So, shower cubicle, everything here. Yeah. And then it has its own exit to the balcony. And then you can also use this door to access this big balcony. So, wow, that's fantastic. It's huge, and the view is panoramic. I don't know, it's what, not 180, but it's not 90, I don't know. It's like 120 degrees. But if you come closer here, no, it's even more. It's more than 180. You can look there, you can go around. So basically, it's an ideal space for smokers, because here, now morning hours, after 11, he has a shade on this side. Yeah, you can view all the way. Beautiful. And then you can view down. In future, now it's near future, we're adding a swimming pool on that side, so even from here you can see. If your kids are there, you can call them to have lunch. Okay, 2 bedrooms down. Okay, let's take a chance to go up now. Stairs are nice. They are wide. Even this stainless, good. Okay, when you come up here, we have on the right we have a room. Yes, it's a room with its own toilet, which is not yet installed. So anyway, temporarily this client who moves in, he's not going to use this room. So otherwise, this room also has its own balcony. Wow, huge one. It's bigger actually than the bedroom itself. Okay, that is 1. Now we have 2 here. Is already bedroom. Views back on the same red tile house. Oh, you can connect this from here. You can walk all the way to the other bedroom. Here you have okay, see your space, and there's a toilet shower cubicle. Okay, so that we have like 4 bedrooms. Then here, what is here? Let's see what is here. Here there's a, let's say like a cabinet, study room or something like this, or you can put a second, I don't know, small second sitting room to watch TV together. Yeah, now another bedroom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth. So this is a 5 bedroom now. 5th bedroom. Now this one has a balcony which goes around. You can exit from there, but you can walk around all the way here. Actually from here it doesn't connect anywhere, but you have a lot of views if you like to have them. Yes. Now here, master bathroom. So basically this is your walk-in wardrobe. Actually nicely done. And you can open for ventilation, or you can add, some people in Mombasa, they add in those dryers, air dryer, so your cloth can stay longer, cloth and linen towels. Okay, so it's either here or that laundry, whatever has to be used for this. And this is master bathroom itself. So you have jacuzzi, shower cubicle, you have windows, which is nice. You take shower with open windows. Yep. Actually, maybe I would not put the windows matte. I would maybe put some sort of either jalousies or curtain, whatever. Because from here, nobody can see you, but you can enjoy the views sitting directly there. But it's not a big deal anyway. So here, good. A lot of ventilation. So 5 bedrooms. Yeah. Is anything what I missed? Here, no. So here also maybe a small chair can be added. Yeah, and then there's one more stair up. So now you can access the roof terrace. This is a small surprise for this. Okay, we have this door, and here will be exit for the lift. Now for those people who live on the lower floors, they cannot go to penthouse, but they can skip and come to the roof, because this left section of the roof, there will be for them, for accessing pumps, water tanks, and here will be installed some cloth lines for drying. But here on the right, this is for penthouse only area. Or maybe we can discuss that in future, because this current client comes in for several months, we can discuss that this may be shared area as well, because you live inside, you live there, but you have this as a common area for small parties, small barbecues here. So this is sort of a shade here, which is covered from sun and even rain. And here will be added some small kitchenette, so it's partly already here. So small addition just to be done. Yeah, a lot of breeze. So this is a nice, let me just push, nobody cares, but this sun, it breaks it, so when nobody uses it, you have to pull it inside. Yeah, everything, even this one. Yeah, actually that's it. Okay, let's have a short walk around. So this is 3 bedroom. On each floor there's only 2 apartments, each 3 bedroom, and the last floor is penthouse. So entrance door is a white door. Yep. So here you enter, we have, I believe this is combined, yeah, let's say this is combined, so that is sitting room, and here closer you can put your dining table. Here we have a kitchen with granite shelves. Then now we already have installed so what we have this air suction, we have a stove. Yep. And I guess we are putting microwave and oven, we'll put for you. Yep. So it has a small balcony. Yep. So this balcony overlooking the house with a beautiful garden. You enjoy it from here. Okay. Now, one bedroom here on the left. Now here we are putting the wardrobe. They're going to be fixed soon. Here we have another balcony, basically the same green. So then we have one more. Same wardrobes are coming. You enter here. Yes, so there's a bigger one. Again, it has its own balcony. A lot of natural light. So here also can be added another wardrobe. And here we have a shower cubicle, toilet. So basically all these units which are now, they are around 3-4 weeks till completion. So they'll be complete. So this is a guest cloakroom. So just a basin and toilet. So there's 2 bedrooms. Now there's another bigger shower cubicle. So another toilet which is out from here. Yeah. So we have 2 bedrooms. Is it 2 bedrooms? No. This bedroom doesn't have. Oh, I see. I'm sorry. So now I can see the master is ensuite. This left bedroom and this right bedroom, they share this bathroom with the shower cubicle. And then for visitors, there's a cloakroom. Yeah. Yes. Now that's correct. Okay. So the last bedroom also sliding wardrobe will be added. And here it has another balcony. So basically a lot of balconies around here. Okay, basically that's it. We have code locks. Okay, I have finished checking the apartment. Everything is fine, so it's ready. Now we have small cleaning and fumigation remaining for the person who moves in. So I want to show you now the shortest way. So this is the gate of the apartment. So we let's go. Let's count. Now it is 2 seconds and let's continue. I'll tell you how far we can go, how quick we can reach. Let's correct. Look how green it's here. Nice. So basically just 5-6 seconds to reach the main gate for the estate. Maybe I'll turn my head and to read which kind of gate it is. Is it B or C or whatever? Okay, this gate C. I can read it on the gate C. Yep, and we go. So here road is just a mudram road, but it's not that rough. There's a small rough section in front, but it's not that bad. So basically it doesn't make any sense to use that round road we have. Maybe I'm lucky because I drive a big car, but I can, as far as I can judge, even with a small car you can easily pass here. Just you drive a bit slower. Yeah, okay, this is that section which I talked. Here is slightly more rough, but okay, I go right here because of my car, but actually you can just take that section left, which is still okay. You just come here and then we are just next to tarmac road, so that's okay. We don't need to go that far around. Yep. Unless you're driving from that way. If you're coming from that side, of Nyali, or you want to visit the mosque, yeah, you can make that shortcut. Otherwise, you are just here, and we are already at the main tarmac road, and we turn left and we'll be on Links Road just immediately. I'll show you, because we are just near the roundabout. Okay, here we go. And I proved I'm right. Just 3 seconds on this tarmac, and we are here at the main roundabout, which is called Mamba roundabout. Yeah, so this is the biggest roundabout and Links Road. Yep, and I'm already on Links Road. It's too sunny at the moment, but I'm happy you spent this couple of minutes with me, and I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Please write in comments which other properties you would like to see. If you know some names in Coast, some particular names of properties, I can come there and make a review for you. So feel free to talk. Thank you and goodbye.